We're entering a new era of artificial intelligence, one where machines can understand everything we throw at them. Not just text, not just images, but all of it together. Welcome to the age of multimodal AI. I'm James from Encord, the platform that pioneering AI teams trust to build their data layer. Today, we're going to talk about how multimodal AI is transforming the way that machines see, hear, and understand the world, and what that means for your business. Unlike traditional unimodal models that focus on a single type of data, multimodal models process text, images, video, audio, even sensor data, all at once. The result is a richer, more accurate understanding of the world. Here's how they work. Encoders convert raw inputs like pixels, words, or sound waves into numerical features that a machine can understand. The fusion mechanism then combines these features to capture the full context across modalities. Finally, the decoder turns that combined understanding into an answer, an image, a video, or any other output that you need. This opens up huge possibilities. In healthcare, this might be diagnosing diseases using medical images and patient history. In manufacturing, this might look like robots navigating complex spaces with multiple sensors. And finally, in search engines, this might be finding images based on a text query or text based on an image. From OpenAI's Clip and DALL-E to Google's Gemini and Meta's ImageBind, multimodal AI is advancing fast. Models are now generating realistic videos from text, understanding spoken language in real time, and even interpreting complex charts and diagrams. Of course, it's not without its challenges. Collecting and labeling multimodal data is tough, and the models can be complex and computationally expensive. But with new training techniques, automated labeling tools, and explainable AI, these obstacles are being tackled head-on. Multimodal AI isn't just the next step in machine learning, it's a leap toward AI that truly understands our world in all of its complexity. If you want to explore, build, or deploy multimodal AI in your business, visit us at encord.com.